Hey friends, today we're making some breakfast sandwiches. Okay, let's turn on the griddle here to like 350. I like to use mayonnaise instead of butter on the bread because it spreads so much easier. And also, if you use as much butter, you go through a lot of butter quickly. So throwing down some mayonnaise on these bad boys. I got some washed mushrooms on deck. Flip that over. What I'm using is some garlic sourdough bread here. Oh yeah, lots of mayonnaise. You can use butter if you want to, but I think this is better. Alright, I'm going to throw down some olive oil to get those mushrooms going here. A little bit of olive oil. And some pink Himalayan sea salt. A little bit of pepper. I like my garlic, so we're going to do some garlic powder. Just kind of throw that on there. Okay. We're going to take some, I have some onions and some bell peppers I had left over. Throw that in the mix here. There we go. Just like that. Myself a spatula here. Okay, so kind of move this out of the way a little bit here. Keep that rolling. Maybe I'll turn it up to a little bit, 375. Okay, I figure I cook a lot, so why not make some cooking videos and share some of this with you guys. I did make some dinner last night, so you know, why not? Why not make some more cooking videos? Alright, well that is rolling. Basically, we're gonna wait here for a little bit until this is kind of cooked. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause it for now. Get our bread brown on one side and we're going to flip it over. So let's do that real quick here. Alrighty, welcome back. So everything's kind of going nicely. Let's check our bread. Alright, that's good enough for this side. Let's go ahead and flip that over. Okay. Nice and golden brown. Then these veggies are cooking good here. Let's go ahead and crack an egg on there. Put one here. And one over here. I'm going to put it right on top of our cooking vegetables and mushrooms. Starting to smell pretty good there. Take a fork and break up the yolk. Spread it out a little bit here. I want two nice patches that can go right on the sandwiches here. So let's kind of work it into a sandwich or bread shape here. Oh yeah. Okay, that's kind of a bread shape there. Now that we got that going, we're going to wait a little bit. We can either put the cheese on the eggs, or we could put it right here on a sandwich right now. So let's do that. What I have here is some, I believe it's mozzarella. It's like super soft and it's amazing. I could eat like a ton of this stuff. I'm just going to break it up into little pieces here and put it on our bread. Okay. Gotta have cheese, and you can use any kind of cheese you want. Mozzarella, Munster, feta, blue cheese, cheddar, jack, you know. Any kind of cheese is good. Let's put a little extra down there. I can smell the sourdough. It's all sizzling. It's coming together nicely. Alrighty. How's that looking? Pretty amazing. Okay. Now that, wipe our hands off a little bit. Don't want to get our containers dirty. Alright, pick some mustard. Why not? And we'll do a little line, a couple lines of mustard on there. Like adding the condiments on there. Ketchup. I like ketchup, so. Alright, as you can see, our eggs are nearly cooked here. So while we were doing that, we can flip our eggs over, hopefully. Maybe I can get in one, I want to cut it in half there, just so it doesn't go all over the place. Flip that over. Okay, that's looking good there. And let's try to see if we can get this one in one flip here. I guess we could, but lost them on the stove there. Rookie move. That's looking pretty amazing. That's smelling really good too. Let's see. Let's get some tomatoes on one of them. Just a couple tomatoes too. You can put avocado slices. You can do anything you want here. Lettuce. I don't have any lettuce right now, unfortunately. I do like some lettuce on my sandwich. Alright. We are almost done. So I'm going to grab my plates. And you can check your bread at this time. Make sure it's not burning. So it is kind of golden brown under there. Maybe a little bit more than golden. So I'll show you that in just a second here when I flip it on. So you got to keep an eye on the bread so it doesn't burn. Alright, and our egg should be ready as well. So let's go ahead and put that, and we're going to put it right on top of the cheese just to help it melt a little bit. And we're going to get these other toppings. Don't let your toppings escape, because that's all flavor right there. Okay, so we'll see, flip our bread over here. Look at that deliciousness. Oh yeah. Let's cut it in half to make it easier to eat. And get our second sandwich ready here. These type of griddles are like amazing for cooking things. You got a large area, cook multiple large items. Not only that, they're super easy to clean, so it's just really convenient. I find that I'm cooking more on this thing than on my stovetop. So, all right, that is that, my friends. Let me put the bread back over. Oh, on top there. We're going to cut that in half. And that is